Hello and welcome to my video project series Tech Talk with Finn. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to create multiple choice exercises using learning apps. If you haven't got any account on learning apps, you should watch my other video about creating an account on learning apps. All right then, suppose you have an account already. Now we are going to go to learningapps.org. What you need to do, you can go to create app. And now we are going to create multiple choice quiz. If you look at this list, there are so many variety of exercises that you can create it. I'm going to create some videos on how to create one or two exercises. This time, multiple choice quiz only. So what do we need to do? Click multiple choice quiz. If this is your first time uh, using learning apps, you can see the example first. For example, let's see the example number one. And if we click OK and then we click this arrow, you can have a listening activity. You can ask your student to listen to something. You click this. This is not in English. I don't know what language is this. Uh,
Я читаю.
and then your students will pick it, choose the right answer, and then check the answer here. Oh, it's right. Surprisingly, it's right. All right, and then go to the next one, listen again,
Мы завтракаем.
and click it and check it. All right, then. So that's an example. One, you can have one listening passage and then multiple choice exercise. And the second example, let's see, you can also have a reading text or a picture at the beginning of your exercise. Ask your students to read first and then give the questions. And they can pick it and uh, give the response like that. Try another one. Oh, still wrong, and so on. Okay, that's the second example. You can have a reading text and ask your students to answer questions based on the reading text. The third one is video. So you can have a video at the beginning, ask your students to watch the video, and after that, give the exercise. Let's just try. And let's see if it is correct. Yay. Okay. So that's the three example that you can do with multiple choice. You can have just the multiple choice, or you can have a text and then followed with the questions. You can have a listening activity, a listening passage followed with the questions, and you can have video and then followed with the questions. Now it's time for us to create our own. Then let's see, create new app. I've prepared some video and text. I'm going to use the topic extreme sports. So let's write the title, extreme sport. And you can give the description, watch the video, then answer the questions. All right. Here in the introduction, you can see it's optional. You can have the introduction or you can just skip this. Let's see if I want to have a text at the beginning, and then I will copy it from the website. Uh, let's see this passage, okay? Make sure that it is not too long and paste it here. So that's the text, and then you can start the question. For example, how long has Christopher been riding bike? And then the answer will be 5 years, and then 10 years. You can add the option and 3 years. let me show you the option. The answer is not necessarily text. You can also have image as the option. You can have voice as the option, audio, and also video. So text is one of the option. Let's see. Don't forget to check the correct answer is 10. And if you want to add another questions, just click add questions and do the same. And you can have a combination of text and audio and image and video for the options at the same time. Okay, so you are free to choose. Well, you can have the random order or just order as the listed on the questions. You can have the background image. I will skip this. You can also give the feedback to the students. You can adjust this. And if you're done, finish editing and show preview. Before we save it, we need to check it. This is what will happen. So this is the text. And if we click the arrow, and this is the question. Okay. If you're happy with this, you can save it. If you want to add questions, you can add it again. Let's save it. And this is the exercise that will be given to your students. It's better for you to get this link so that it's in a full screen mode. So take this link, copy it, and let's see what happened. Let's paste it here. And you can see the difference. Okay, this is full screen, while this is not full screen. Too many menus here. It's easier for your student. Okay, like this. So easy, right? So that's the one, the first one, using text and then followed with questions. Now I will give you another example on using video and then followed with questions. Go back to learning apps, go to multiple choice quiz, and this time we just directly create a new app. Still the same, extreme sport, and then watch the video and answer the questions. Oh, I just remember my description was wrong for the first apps, right? So now I have this video about extreme sport. We'll just copy this and then put it here. If you have the URL, just paste it here. Only video from YouTube can be used in Learning App, okay? If you have your own video, you need to upload it on YouTube first and then put the link here. And let's see, I will just write random questions. Extreme sport is only well known in UK. I will write true and false. Correct one is false. Again, if you want to add another answer, you can click this, add another answer. Or if you want to add another questions, that just click this. Okay, this is just a sample. And then similar to the first one, you can randomize the order and then you can give the background if you want to, and you can have a personalized feedback, custom feedback if you want to. I don't want to change anything here. Just click finish editing. Let's see what happened. So this is the video, and then students should click this, and this is the question. If there are more than one question, they will just need to keep clicking the arrow. And if you want to edit, go to edit again. And if you want to save it, just save the app. And copy this link. This is the link that you are going to share to your student later. Okay, like that. And what if you want to change, you want to edit something after you save it? You just go to my app, and you will see these are the two exercises that we created. So you go here and look at the edit. It's like a pencil. Just click the edit app and you can get back to this page, and you can add answers, you can add questions, you can give hints, whatever you wanted. You can give change the feedback and so on. Okay, so that's how you can create multiple choice exercise using learning apps. If you want to try another exercises, I'm going to show you in the other video. Goodbye.